Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today here at the Auto Connect, we have a 2015 Audi Q7 Premium Plus. Really nice car, just serviced it, 101,000 miles. So we do have a scuff on the rear quarter panel right there. But besides that, exterior and interior in excellent condition. This one comes pretty loaded up. Navigation, backup camera, front and rear heated seats, panoramic sunroof. It actually has the rear entertainment system with the TVs. Two TVs, really nice Audi. All-wheel drive, 3.0 V6. Oh, right here on the front bumper cover. Little scuff as well. Missed that on the first go around. So you can see here we have the TVs, both monitors, third row seating. Big old pano roof. This is the last year of this body style. I always try to tell people, get last years of a body style of a car, you don't have many issues. So we have 101,181 miles. Something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory, www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody that might be interested in this, definitely give them a holler. If you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicles in need of service or repairs or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicles, give us a holler. We'd like to help you out. Appreciate checking out the video.